Hey everyone, this is Allison over at Checkerboard, and we are very excited because today is the first day of the Pahl's CSA pickups, and we subscribed as an office here this year, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing to show you what we're getting. So the first week here happens to be a bread week. We get bread from Great Harvest once a month, which is really exciting. And then here is our CSA box. So this is the standard size box, just to kind of give you an idea. The teaser share is about half size and the family share is a little bigger than this. When you open it up, you can see it's just packed full with vegetables and a little bit of fruit this week. So it looks like we got some nice rhubarb, fresh picked here. Super exciting. I might have to fight for that one here in the office. Followed by some kale, and they said because of the rain they'd pick the kale and it might be a little dirty, but ours seems to have come out like really clean, so it's looking really good, and hopefully someone in the office here has a good kale recipe. If not, we'll have to check our Share in the Harvest newsletter. After that, it looks like we got some nice fresh strawberries. They're looking real good. Small, but you know, the smallest ones are always the sweetest. All right, looks like we've got some big old Napa cabbage here. I hope we don't have to figure out how to split this 5 ways. We'll see what happens there. Some cherry tomatoes look really good. Look at those. I don't even know if I was expecting those ones, so that's a happy surprise. And then we got 2. Now these are potted plants. So this is cabbage, and forgive me, I've forgotten what kind of cabbage it is. I'm sure I will post later with an update on, I think, is it butterleaf or something? But anyway, it doesn't look like much now, but you can plant this and it'll give you lettuce like all summer long, which is really cool. So don't worry if, you know, yours is a little small. Mine got a little squished in the package, but that's okay. And then it looks like we got some basil, which looks really nice. And this, you can do the same thing. You can plant, I actually have one at home that I've planted and is kept growing back. So we get to make some nice recipes with basil every once in a while. Nice caprese salad or mozzarella pizza. So yeah, this is the share box this week. I'm sure the team here will be fighting over who gets what. And so excited. So they've already had signups for this year, but keep on the lookout for next year because I don't think you want to miss out on this one.